When it comes to technological advancements, Google doesn't seem to be lacking in any of the categories, be it innovation, creativity, or simply something that is super engaging. Recently, Google has made public an intriguing research article that reveals a one-of-a-kind and groundbreaking artificial intelligence software known as StyleDrop. And to say the least, we are excited. In today's video, we'll be exploring this groundbreaking innovation and what it could mean for the world of creativity in the coming time. Let's get started, shall we? StyleDrop is an alternative to traditional AI models, which often concentrate on specific sorts of conversions, such as converting text to music or images to text. Instead, StyleDrop mixes the generation of text and images in any style that the user chooses. For those of you unaware, StyleDrop is able to generate visuals that accurately represent a particular style by drawing on the capabilities of Muse, a text-to-image generative vision transformer. Its exceptional versatility and ability to capture fine features and nuances of user-provided styles are what set it apart from other products on the market. Aspects like as color palettes, shading, design patterns, and even local and global impacts are included in this category. And the fact that the program can faithfully and accurately duplicate these elements paves the way for an infinite number of new creative possibilities. With the introduction of StyleDrop, creative professionals, hobbyists, and designers alike will have the opportunity to explore new creative territories by fusing together a variety of visual styles in the development of their images seamlessly. This cutting-edge technology has the potential to become a helpful tool that can be used in conjunction with other creative tools already on the market. Not to forget, it will allow users to imbue their creations with a distinctive and alluring appearance. Meanwhile, the breathtaking samples that are generated by StyleDrop are one of the most intriguing parts of this tool. These images demonstrate the software's capacity to blend disparate artistic styles in a seamless manner and to faithfully recreate those styles. Simply put, StyleDrop allows people to express their creativity in unique and interesting ways by allowing them to generate photographs that correspond to various styles. And since you're wondering, this breakthrough artificial intelligence program is expected to continue its rapid development and soon be available worldwide. Honestly, Google has once again shown that they are committed to innovation and has developed a tool that has the potential to open new levels of artistic expression and visual storytelling with the help of StyleDrop. You see, one of the difficulties that come with engaging in creative efforts is keeping consistency, which is especially difficult when one is attempting to imitate a distinctive and individualized style. While it may be simpler to imitate well-known styles, such as those popularized by Van Gogh or steampunk, developing and establishing an original style might be a more difficult endeavor. StyleDrop really comes into its own here because it provides a solution to this particular issue. For example, if you give StyleDrop an image to use as a reference, it will evaluate the particular style qualities, such as colors, brushwork, and textures, and then use those traits to generate new images that accurately represent that style. This just indicates that StyleDrop can capture and reproduce the style with an outstanding level of accuracy, even if it is not widely recognized or given a name. Now let's investigate the examples that Google has provided for us so that we may have a better idea of what StyleDrop is capable of. For starters, in the first illustration, vibrant flowers are rendered in a watercolor approach. The reference image accurately depicts the aesthetic that is intended, and StyleDrop can successfully generate images that are in keeping with the watercolor look. This then displays the software's capability to grasp and duplicate complex styles, enabling users to personalize their artwork to their artistic concepts. As we look at more instances, the adaptability of StyleDrop becomes increasingly clear. For instance, we can use the same watercolor effect to represent a newborn penguin and a banana. Users are granted the ability to imbue their creative endeavors with a unified and distinctive visual identity through the utilization of this tool. Additionally, StyleDrop is well positioned to become an indispensable resource for any creative initiative that calls for a certain aesthetic, whether it be branding, artistic activities, or any other kind of creative work. It is also essential to remember that research papers like the one that we are discussing frequently showcase the very best results, and StyleDrop is not an exception to this rule. The examples that are supplied illustrate the capabilities of the software, while yet noting that the results may vary. Though despite this, the tool has a potentially significant impact since it provides a workable answer to the problem of attaining aesthetic consistency while also pushing the bounds of creative expression. And let's not forget that there is a growing sense of anticipation among those of us working on a wide variety of creative projects as we await the introduction of StyleDrop. A quick reminder for you all, if you like the content you have seen so far, do subscribe to the channel. So, with everything out of the way, let's now proceed to explore even further into the mind-gobbling features of StyleDrop and investigate how it stacks up against other picture production tools like Midjourney. So really, the examples that Google has provided demonstrate how effective StyleDrop is, including the program's capacity to imitate well-known artistic styles, such as Van Gogh's. Now, the name Van Gogh is connected with a distinctive painting style marked by powerful brushstrokes and brilliant colors. This recognizable Van Gogh style is presented in the demonstration of StyleDrop with the use of a reference photograph that enables users to produce artworks in the same vein as the artist who popularized it. On the other end of it, let's take a quick look at what Midjourney has to offer so that we can make an informed comparison between the efficacy of StyleDrop and the performance of other image production tools like Midjourney. Midjourney is a strong artificial intelligence program that, when given written cues, can generate realistic and even hyper-realistic visuals. It excels at capturing particular styles or references that are offered in the text that is input, and the results that it produces are astounding. Then again, when it comes to replicating styles, StyleDrop takes a different approach than other services. Users can generate new photos that truly embody a specific style by using this tool, which works by analyzing and capturing the distinctive traits of a style by using a reference image as a basis for the analysis. This distinction is also essential because it gives consumers a means that is both more visual and more straightforward for them to obtain the aesthetic result that they desire. Of course, both StyleDrop and Midjourney have significant merits, yet StyleDrop is distinguished from Midjourney by the emphasis it places on the reproduction and personalization of styles. It simply allows users to recreate a wide variety of artistic styles, whether famous or personalized, and then apply those styles to their creative endeavors. All in all, as the launch of StyleDrop approaches closer, the anticipation surrounding the app's capabilities continues to rise. The potential to easily imitate and adapt a variety of styles in their work is something that creative enthusiasts, designers, and artists alike anxiously anticipate. StyleDrop is a significant addition to the creative arsenal because of its adaptability and versatility, which paves the way for new creative possibilities and motivates the subsequent wave of artistic expression. In a word, StyleDrop has emerged as a game-changer in the world of design, and it has done so by rethinking the possibilities of AI-driven style transfer. Even when taking into account the input of humans, the procedure can be finished in fewer than 3 minutes, making it one of its most notable qualities. This quick turnaround time enables designers to swiftly develop and refine their designs, which results in the saving of crucial time and an increase in overall productivity. The genuinely unique selling point of StyleDrop is another extraordinary efficiency it offers. StyleDrop, in contrast to more conventional methods of style transfer, which require an extensive data set of images for training, just requires a small number of reference images to provide spectacular results. This then makes the training process substantially faster and more accessible to designers, who can now experiment with various styles without the burden of gathering and curating vast image datasets. This makes the training process significantly faster and more accessible to designers. With a shred of doubt, it is clear that the Google team is committed to innovation based on how well StyleDrop is performing. They have overtaken other techniques such as Dream Booth, LoRa's, textual inversion in Imagen, and stable diffusion, which demonstrates its supremacy in capturing and duplicating complex details as well as aesthetic nuances. So there's that. So will you be using Google's all-new StyleDrop? Let us know in the comments below while ensuring you have liked and subscribed to the channel. We'll see you next time.